In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register an account with Sendwave in Kenya 2025. By the end, you'll have a brand new Sendwave account ready to go, and I'll walk you through each screen so nothing feels confusing. First, install a trusted VPN app on your phone. Options like Proton VPN or Windscribe work well and are widely used. A VPN helps your app store show the correct listing if Sendwave doesn't appear in your region. Once it's installed, open the VPN and connect to a server in the United States. Give it a moment to show that you're connected. Now open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. If Sendwave still doesn't appear when you search for it, clear your store's cache on Android or switch your store region if your device asks for it. The goal here is simply to make sure the Sendwave app is visible so you can install it. Search for Sendwave and install the app. When the installation finishes, open Sendwave. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up to begin creating your account. Start by entering your full name. Use the name that appears on your official identification to avoid any issues later. Next, type in your email address. Make sure it's one you can access, since this is how you'll receive updates and recover your account if needed. You'll see a flag icon next to the phone number field. Tap the flag, then select your country code by searching or scrolling. Choose the Kenyan code and then enter your Kenyan phone number. Double check the digits before moving on so the verification code reaches you. You'll be asked where you're sending first. Tap that prompt and choose the country that matches your initial destination. After that, you'll see a checkbox. This typically means you're agreeing to the terms or confirming accuracy. Check the box and then tap Sign Up. Sendwave will text a verification code to the phone number you entered. Watch for the SMS, and when it arrives, type the code exactly as shown. If it doesn't come through immediately, give it a moment and ensure your phone has network coverage. Next, you'll create a PIN for your Sendwave account. Choose a secure PIN that you can remember, but others can't guess. Tap Create PIN, re-enter the same PIN to confirm, and then tap Confirm PIN. That's it. You should now see a confirmation that your account has been created, you're all set, and your Sendwave account in Kenya is ready to use.